There is a new best player in the washing world. It's Matek. Company specialized for over 15 years in the purification and filtration of quarry mud. Over time, it has gained experience in the selection and washing of various materials. What was once waste can now become a resource. Matek's washing plants, developed with cutting-edge technology, wash, select, and recycle all the quarry materials, mines, and C&D systems. The materials are loaded onto the loading hopper, which has variable capacity depending on the type of production required. The larger materials are discarded to be crushed, while all other materials begin the selection and washing process. Through the extractor belt, all the material is sent to the screen, made entirely of galvanized steel and supported by ScreenTech technology, resistant and certified. The screen with inclined planes with different wire screen mesh selects and divides the various materials by granulometry, which, while they are screened, in other terms, separated, are also washed with high-pressure nozzles to remove all the impurities and give them value. The resulting screening water containing all the fines is collected in an underlying stainless steel tank and through centrifugal pumps sent to the Sandtech hydrocyclones, also made of stainless steel. Through separation, the sands are divided into 1 or 2 granulometries, or mixed thanks to the possibility of changing the speed of the pumps that manage the hydrocyclones. The washed materials are sent to a drying screen, which, by reducing the residual humidity, allows their immediate use. The high-quality materials are ready to be placed in the production chain and produce. Depending on their nature and granulometry, cement, asphalt, and everything related to construction. The wastewater from the hydrocyclones containing the superfine sludge are sent through the pipes to the purification plant. The turbid waters formed during the washing of the aggregates are conveyed to the collection wells, ready to be clarified. Through the vertical or submersible pumps, they are pushed by the collection pit towards the decanter. From the collection pit, the turbid waters are pushed inside the decanter through the stainless steel piping. About half of the way is injected the flocculating polyelectrolyte chemical product which, reacting with suspended solids, weighs down the mud particles and precipitates it. Matek decanters, guaranteed for 10 years, are all made of stainless steel and are designed and made to measure to guarantee maximum clarification, reducing the use of flocculants and consumption up to 20%. The patented Dosun system measures the real suspended solids contained in turbid waters and regulates the product accordingly. The clarified waters, without suspended solids, rise towards the top of the decanter and are collected in the perimeter channel located on the upper part of the decanter. Therefore, by means of fall, clear water made of cement or stainless steel is conveyed inside the clean water tank, ready to be reintroduced into the production cycle through the clean water recovery pump. The decanted and thickened sludge are discharged into the homogenizer tank that is below. At this point, they are ready to be filter pressed. Matek manufactures high-tech filter presses to achieve the best dewatering sludge. This thanks to the highly specialized design and the use of specific components such as dynamic oil pumps and pistons, oversized structures and chassis, high-pressure pumps. The filter press cycle begins with the closing of the plates. Once tightened, the pump starts filling the chambers. The filter feeding pump draws the sludge from the tank and pushes it inside the sealed chambers formed by the plates. The sludge fills the plates one by one, and thanks to the pressure, the solid particles are retained by the filtering cloths while the water passes through them and is recovered in the drain. Once the sludge is filtered, the filter press ends its cycle when the probe no longer senses the presence of water. Once complete dehydration is reached, the plate pack is opened and the sludge that have formed dry cakes fall, leaving the cloths clean and ready for the next filtering. To ensure and guarantee the detachment of all cakes, Mattek filter presses uses the patented gasser system, which automatically shakes the plates. Through PLC, all available options and useful data, such as filtration times or cubic meters produced during the selected time span, are displayed. Thanks to HPT technology, the system never uses lime or other additives to the sludge to make them filterable, significantly reducing the plant operating costs. Mattek guarantees the perfect functioning of the processes through multiple checks and alarms, designed to prevent any type of failure or downtime. Mattek produces complete turnkey plants, able to recycle water up to 97%. Water treatment and aggregates management. Mattek, excellence in filtration by nature.